Give me that money.
Welcome to the Millionaire Minute with Keith Singer, the president of Singer Wealth Advisors. So whether it's an economic downturn, higher taxes, or an unexpected emergency, there could always be a financial storm brewing on the horizon. Keith, how do you help people navigate storms like these?
Fiona, you mentioned a lot of different things that are reality and they happen all the time. But when everything's going well, most people don't think that they need to make any changes because everything seems fine. And then all of a sudden there's an economic downturn or higher inflation or some unexpectedly costly health problems that they're getting. That's when people often regret that they hadn't planned differently. So we believe it's important to create a plan that's going to work well whether the market's good or whether the market's bad, whether inflation's high or low, whether you live a long life or a short life. And we specialize in identifying and offering the most attractive alternative investments like private credit, like defined outcome exchange traded funds, private mortgages, structured notes, and many others that can create predictable income and returns yielding around 8 to 10%, even if the stock market has a bad decade. All right, you're going to be okay if you have a lot of these alternatives, whether the stock market's good or not. So these can allow our clients to beat inflation and meet their income needs with so much less volatility than the stock market.
That's what we want to hear. How can our viewers learn more?
Well, the easiest way is call our office at 866-WEALTHY, ask to speak to one of our advisors so they can actually understand your needs. But we also created a prosperity pack because we want to try to educate as many people as possible. It includes the book that I wrote called The Life You Deserve, which is your guide to obtaining abundance. It also includes really great strategies on alternative investments and how to pay less income tax, which everyone is concerned about. So if that's something that you want to get, just text the word wealth to 954-462-3300 and you can download your free report today.
Excellent. Well, Keith, thanks for joining me. And you at home watching, thank you for watching this week's Millionaire Minute.